Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to link your Steam account to Epic Games. First, go to the Epic Games Store website. Once there, click the Login button in the top right corner and enter your Epic Games credentials. After logging in, click your profile icon and select Account from the drop-down menu. On the left side of the Account Settings page, click Apps and Accounts. Look for Steam in the list of available platforms. Click Connect next to Steam. You will be prompted to sign into your Steam account. Enter your Steam username and password, then click Sign In. Once verified, click Continue to confirm the connection. And that is it. You have just linked your Steam account to Epic Games. This allows you to enjoy cross-platform features and a smoother gaming experience. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.